In this presentation we are going to look at how to construct frequency tables, and frequency tables are used to depict groupings of data divided into mutually exclusive categories and the frequency of occurrence within each category. And our command is simply table, okay, and it can be used for one-way tables and two-way tables. So we'll have a look at each. So firstly we have the mtcars data set, and it contains a binary variable for two categories of two types of transmission. So we could have the automatic and we could have the manual. And what we want to do is find out how many cars are automatic and how many are manual. So we're going to use this piece of code here, table. We're going to specify the mtcars dataset, and then we are going to specify the categorical variable that we require using the $sign operator. So there we have it there. 19 are automatic and 13 are manual. Okay, so that's straightforward enough. Let's just actually have a look at another categorical variable in that data set. It is cylinder. So SYL. So 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder. We have 11 4-cylinder cars, we have 7 6-cylinder cars, and we have 14 8-cylinder cars. So that's how we would look at that. So suppose we want to construct a two-way frequency table for both AM and cylinder. Essentially what we do is we just specify both, basically. So let's have a look here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach mtcars. That's just to save me a lot of typing. So AM and sil. There we have it there. So it's a two-way table there. So we have we have 3 automatic cars with 4 cylinders. We have 2 manual cars with 8 cylinders, and so on. Now that's straightforward enough. Suppose we want to come up with a 3-way table, and add in another categorical variable. So let's clear that now. So there's another categorical variable called VS, and let's have a look at table of VS. So there are 18 in the 0 category and 14 in the 1 category. So what happens if we specify all 3, AM, CYL, and VS? Essentially what we get is two-way frequency tables instead. It's not as useful once you get past 2. So for one-way or two-way, a table is useful for command, but after that you could have more, but it's not so easy to read. Anyway, that ends our presentation.